안녕하세요. Are you interested in Korea? If so, you might be interested in seeing what food we eat here in Korea for our weekday lunches. So, here are my 5 weekly lunches, Monday through to Friday, and we're starting with Monday. Korean food tends to be very full of energy and very healthy as well. Obviously, we're starting with seaweed soup. Seaweed soup with beef, you've got protein, and I love seaweed. I'm a big runner and I find it gives me tons of energy throughout the day. Bean sprouts are boring, but they're incredibly healthy. Egg for protein, and that is japchae with fish cake. Japchae is like a glass noodle dish. Fried prawns as well. Like, you can't really go wrong with that. A lot of energy and a delicious way to start the week. Now diving into Tuesday, we've got an absolute Korean classic, which is bulgogi. If you've ever had bulgogi, you know it's a little bit sort of savory with soy sauce flavor with a little bit of sugar in there, and so it can be a little bit sweet. Potato croquette and some cucumber and mushrooms of salad. And there's fish cake that is stir-fried in a spicy sauce. And we've got bean sprouts. They're not everyone's favorite, but they're full of energy and incredibly healthy. As I've mentioned before, most of these dishes are exactly what you'll see on the tables, both for breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a Korean household. And yes, you heard me right, even breakfast. Before I tell you more about that, though, let's look at what I'm having for lunch. Fish cake soup there with some greens in there, sort of mixed in. And there's the unhealthy part, some chicken. Look, it's unhealthy, but it's delicious. I only got a little bit of that. Kimchi, it's perfect. Broccoli and potato, so fried up potato side dish. That's wonderful. And into Thursday, once again, you can see the change in the lighting because we're inside. It is raining a lot. And we'll dive right in. What are we starting with? Jimdal. I love jimdal. This is braised chicken with some potato. It's one of my favorite dishes, and I've cooked it myself. You can find the recipe on this channel. Some healthy kimchi. These are delicious. They're actually very sweet. It's potato that's been sort of fried and then almost caramelized with sugar. Broccoli and a sort of doenjang soup here with some green leaves. It varies to what they put in there, but very healthy and hearty. And then Friday. So let's have a look. Jeokbokkeum is one of my favorite dishes. I don't know if we start with that, and we do. It's spicy, it's full of flavor, and I could eat a lot of that. Very thin cut pork. Fish cake soup, not always the most delicious, this one, but it is very hearty and gives you a lot of energy. We got chicken nuggets, at least I think they're chicken nuggets. These are quail eggs with radish, and they've been sort of soaked in a sort of soy sauce one. And that's cabbage, that's just boiled cabbage. It's pretty simple. So like I mentioned earlier, a lot of these are also for breakfasts. When I used to live with my in-laws, we would have breakfasts like these every morning, and it just gives you a great start to the day. So even now, I never skip a breakfast. And you need that. You know, at work, you want to have your energy up, especially when you finish work, if you're busy exercising and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and in the meantime, enjoy your lunch and have a great day. Thanks.